So I'm going to demo the app that you're about to do in this part where I'm just give you a big picture, a demo of this boba app with it as well. Again, this is a fictional store. There's no such thing as a boba store or boba me. This is a story that I made up with it. Characters also made up. Credit cards made up. Address. Everything in here is fictional in here, just for the purpose of the demonstration on here as well. All right. So follow along with it as well. Again, this is the homepage for the boba store with it. And as we go through this, I want you to think about how we're going to talk about the design. And again, I've broken down to 4 separate assignments to subparts to it as well with it. So this is I want to use my cursor and get in. It's the loading part for this. And to sign up is the home screen with it. Either you sign up as a first time or you have your own existing login right now with it. So again, assuming that you can pick a sign up, and you're welcome to come in and do your own sign up with it, or once you have an account, you actually click on the account with it. And we're going to talk about this as one separate video itself to design for this this part with it. So when we do this is a separate video. We're going to design login and also sign up with it, and the user interface for this as well. So I assume that you have some experience in the past with it. So it's a fictional account. Test Gmail with it. Again, animated graphics. When you logged in with it, you have your profile, you have your credit card number, and I gave you 4 types of bobas in here to take a look at with it. And I want to pick one of them, and at the bottom is the menu. As you can see, that remains fixed with it, and the top are the 4 choices that you can go in. And we're going to actually go in and do the sweet tint, caramel, and chocolate with it. And you can see the boba with it, and you can select, if you've ever been to a boba store with it, they give you different type of milk. You can do non-dairy, you can do almond milk, you can do different type of milk that you can, and it's a pull down menu, even for the level of regular sweet or with medium ice. We're going to actually go in and look at the regular sweet for this and have it choose a different type of pull down menu that I'm going to talk to you about with it. So you could have semi-sweet, regular sweet, extra sweet with it, just to change the flavor with it. And you can see the price of the current boba, but changing the sweet with it. Once we pick the different type of tapioca, large tapioca, small tapioca, or lychee jelly with it, each of the selections, there's 50 cents added to it. So I'm going to select the large tapioca in here with it, or the small tapioca with it. So or the lychee. Either one of them, we 50 cents each added to it. We pick one of these right now. Then I'm going to see, you can see the price has bumped up to 50 cents to it as well. And then I add that to my shopping cart. You can see my shopping cart now has a 1 at the bottom of it. It means I have 1 drink that I also have added to this as well with it. So, and you click on it, it shows you this is your selection: the milk, the medium, the semi-sweet, the ice, the large tapioca. You can edit, remove. I'm just going to do 1 cup right now with it. You can see the subtotal plus tax, delivery fee, and then I go to next if I continue or close out of this particular box with it, and then I can go back to it as well. So my shopping cart will always be there. Let's say I want to go check out now with it. I'm going to put in a fictional name, fictional address, something is fictional, as phone number is fictional with it. And then come in and also add in my credit card information in here, as added in here as already as part of my profile with it as well. And then I click on this, it gives me a subtotal. Here's my subtotal I put in, and you can see the name on the card, my card name, credit card number, and I hit done on this right now. It gives me the total of $9.49. I click on pay. It tells me I submit the payment with it, and it should give me en route. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to get this thing delivery to me with it. So boom. Okay, I got it. So here it is. So this is the app with it, and you can see each of the apps is going to have a different stage with it. Again, this is my profile. This is me, long hair. No, just kidding. I just picking a guy with long hair with it. Again, all these are profile pictures that you can actually log in with it. And it keeps an order for you. You can actually do an order later on with it, and you can see the order profile with it by changing out the order that you can actually change in here with it. So in the past, we have ordered the regular. It keeps a history of all the past order that you have under your profile. All right. That's about it, about it. And if you want to go back to your drink again with it, you can always go back to the home page with it. And each one of these icons, it's very, very, very simplicity with it. And so I want to talk a little bit about this profile. You have to keep this very, very, very simple with it. Just basic information. Keep it secure. Keeping it very simple. Keeping the flow of things why they're already in the app with it. And we're going to talk about the menu and the navigation, how things are being used, and how you can import in files with it as well. So this is just the profile side you're looking at. You can import in and out of this thing with it. The key thing is, they're here to order stuff, keeps a history of whatever happens in here with it. In the past stuff that you order, if they want to reorder with it, it goes back to their original order with it. The main menu is the cup and the shopping cart. So very, very simple. Back to the 4 orders with it. Their profiles, if you want to change the profile, log out with it, log in and out with it. And that's about it right now. I'm going to stop the video right here. And we'll stop right here.